My very first time of installing blonde, and I look so gorgeous. I looked at myself in the mirror and I said, Elizabeth, you look so good. You look so pretty. I look pretty, but this hair just added more beauty to my beauty. Dress up, look good, embrace your beauty, because you are made as a lady. You were made to look beautiful. You were made to look gorgeous. You could see the back of the hair. It is well firm. It is firm. You won't even know it is a wig. That is the most surprising thing about this wig. It is held so firmly to your scalp, and you can literally lift up the wig from the back of your head. Hi everyone, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Mom and Pretty Imisi here again, and in today's video I'm gonna be installing this simple wear and go human wig. This is probably the first time you would ever see me on a blonde hair. Honestly, everyone, this hair looks so good on me, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look so good on you. Alright, this is hair from Royal Impression. They are on Amazon, and this hair is awesome. Look at the detailing of this hair. I love the highlights. I love how coily or wavy it is. It is awesome. This is wear and go glueless human wig. It is pre-cut, it is pre-plucked, and it is 5x5 HD transparent lace closure human wig. It is 180% density, and it is awesome. Just pop it on and go. Recently, you would notice I've been posting just wear and go because it is very simple for me to just pop it on a busy morning or on a busy day. I just pop it on and I am good to go. So this hair is just one of the fantastic hair on my channel you want to grab and just pop it on and go. There is no hassle at all installing this hair. And right here I just applied my mousse. You can see how this hair is. It is awesome. It is awesome. I'm just using that to control the flyaways. You can see I didn't do much on this hair. It just stays. It is very easy to control the flyaways, and it is pretty awesome. I went ahead to comb it down with my tail comb, and it still maintain the waves. Pretty much where it got its name from. Ombre body wave lace front wigs. Alright, next everyone, I'm gonna make my hair. This is my natural hair. I'm going to go ahead to cornrow it into 4 big sections. Also, this depends on individuals. You can decide to cornrow your hair into whatever sections, but for me, I feel 4 sections is my newest to go, because I want to get this hair done under 3 minutes or less. I want to take a moment to appreciate some of my viewers who have been dedicated and following us on our latest videos, and also commenting and dropping questions for me. Some have been saying, hey Elizabeth, thank you so much for dropping links to simple and hassle-free hair I can just grab on the go and have my hair done in 5 minutes or less. I mean, one of the goals of this channel is to help mothers, sisters, ladies out there to embrace their beauty by doing things themselves. I mean, you can do your own hair yourself. It doesn't have to be stressful. It doesn't have to be time consuming. And you don't have to go into a depressed mood or be anxious about making your hair. So the goal of this channel is to make you embrace your beauty, embrace your capability, that you are capable of anything. Talking to mothers, sisters and ladies out there, that you're capable of making your own hair. If you saw any of my videos pop on your YouTube, kindly watch it, because these are videos that inspire. These are videos that have tested, products, and I can validate or vouch for, the quality. So you don't have to be afraid of, I have to make my hair fine. If you're natural, it might be a little bit stressful, especially the thickness of your hair. But honestly, trust me, you can do it. You can start by wetting your hair and then making it moist, and that way you can control any frizz or thickness of your hair. Guys, we're done with this cornrow and I'm beginning to look like it. I haven't even made my hair in a very long time. Honestly, you have not seen me post a video for more than like few days ago. This is unlike me. I usually post videos like 4 or 5 videos in a week, and yeah, but hopefully in the coming weeks we'll start posting more videos. And this is the hair right here. Everyone, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Nothing serious to do. I just pop on the hair and that's it. A good way to start as a beginner is to start curling your hair and putting on this type of wig. That way you don't have so much things to do. This is it. This is the hair, everyone. This hair is mesmerizing. When I mean mesmerizing, it is, look at the feel of this hair. It is so soft. When I was touching this, I was like, oh my goodness, this hair feels so soft. And I just kind of like start combing it, because I started cutting off some parts from this video. I have combed this hair because I won't stop combing it. The texture feels so great, everyone. I just kept combing and brushing because I just loved the texture. Honestly, this is so simple, soft, and calm on skin. It doesn't irritate. It's not harsh. It's like baby hair on your skin. I love it so much. Look at this hair. I did not cut the lace. It is being pre-cut. That's where the name comes from, and I can literally run the tail of my comb on it. It is pre-cut. It is glueless. I did not use glue to glue this hair. So if you're worried about glue and you mess up, trying to glue lace wig, I think this might probably be for you. Just put this on and yeah, don't put yourself under stress. This is awesome. Look at the hair. This hair is so long and cute. For more than, I was supposed to spend 3 minutes, but this hair gave me a totally different perspective of human hair. There's some hair you will put on and you would just start feeling so good about yourself. Honestly, this is one of the hair that you would put on and there's this natural feeling of love and self-appreciation for yourself. You look into the mirror and you ask yourself, is this actually me? That was the way I felt with this hair. And that reminds me of this popular scriptural verse that says, the hair of a woman is her glory. When you are adorned in a beautiful hair, you begin to radiate glory. This is the hair. Honestly, everyone, I am not joking. I had this feeling of beauty. And like I said earlier on, the reason behind this video or this channel is to help women out there appreciate their beauty, embrace their natural beauty, embracing the art of self hair making. And it doesn't have to be perfect the very first time you start making your hair. you grow into perfection as the day goes by. So this hair is awesome. Now let's get back to this hair. Guys, we are done installing this hair. This hair is I don't know how well to describe this hair. This hair is too cute, if that is the word. It's too cute. It is awesome. It is just awesome. It blends with my skin. You can see that. My very first time of installing blonde, and I look so gorgeous. I looked at myself in the mirror and I said, Elizabeth, you look so good. You look so pretty. Whether with or without the hair, I look pretty. But this hair just added more beauty to my beauty. So everyone, this is it. This hair is on Amazon and it is very affordable. You won't even believe the ridiculous amount of money this hair was sold for. So I have dropped the link to purchasing this hair on the description of the video. If you are ever interested, it is something you really want to buy, something you really want to have. I mean, it is awesome. Dress up, look good, embrace your beauty, because you are made as a lady. You were made to look beautiful. You were made to look attractive. You were made to look gorgeous. So what are you waiting for? Look at me in this hair. This hair is awesome. I just rolled it up. You could see the back of the hair. It is well firm. It is firm. You won't even know it is a wig. That is the most surprising thing about this wig. It is held so firmly to your scalp, and you can literally lift up the wig from the back of your head and it will still grip firmly. I hope when you ever come across this video, you will like this video. Subscribe to my channel to encourage me to produce videos like this. And until we see again next time.